Hello everyone, today our topic is how to add Facebook leads to Google Sheets for your language teaching academy. So here our objective is that whenever I get a new Facebook lead for my language teaching academy in Facebook lead ads, then I want to capture these lead details and I want to add these lead details automatically in my Google Sheet to keep a record. So for that, I need to create an integration between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheets. For creating this integration, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. In Pabbly Connect, I'm going to use trigger and action. In trigger application, I'm going to use Facebook lead ads. In action application, I'm going to use Google Sheets. So how I am going to create this integration? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see that how I can instantly keep records of all my Facebook leads for my language teaching academy in Google Sheets. So this is my Facebook page for my language teaching academy, and it is named as Professional Institute. And to promote my academy, I am also running an ad campaign on my Facebook page through which I'm getting a lot of leads. Now I want to keep a records of all my leads in my Google Sheet. So here my objective is that whenever I get a new Facebook lead for my language teaching academy, then instantly I want to add these details in my Google Sheet. So for this, I need to create an integration between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheet. So for creating this integration, I will open a new tab and search for pabbly.com. And this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly. Here we have two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have any account with Pabbly, you can just sign up for free and it will take only 2 minutes of your time and you will get 100 of tasks free every month. Or if you already have an account, you can just sign in and you will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I'm going to click here on Access Now button under Pabbly Connect. And this will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here, this is the workflow section and we can see all the workflows that we will create here. And this is the folder section. We can create new folder here and we can save any workflow in any particular folder that we want. Now here, I want to create a new workflow. For that, I'll click here on Create Workflow button and this window will pop up. Here, I have to name my workflow. So I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to add Facebook leads to Google Sheets for your language teaching academy. Now I'm going to select the folder where I want to save my workflow. So I'm going to open this tab and I'm going to select home here and I will click on create and this will take us to this most important window of our workflow. Here we have two boxes, trigger and action. So these are the two main principles on which our workflow works on, and trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow and action will just follow that. So we need to set up our trigger first. And here my trigger application will be Facebook lead ads. So I'm going to search for that and I'm going to select this and I have to give a trigger event. So I'm going to open this tab and new lead instant will be my trigger event. Now I will connect Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect. So I'll click here on connect. I will click on add new connection and I will connect with Facebook lead ads. Now I'm going to click on continue to give access to my account and my connection here is successful. Now I have these two tabs. First is of page, second one is of lead gen form. So for this, let's go back to Facebook and this is my Facebook page and it is named as Professional Institute. And for the lead generation form, I'm going to open this menu and I will open this Meta Business Suite. Here I will go to all tools and in this I'm going to find this instant forms. And in instant forms, I have this one lead generation form, which is named as Professional Institute Contact Form. So I'm going to show you this and this is my form and we have these details here, email, full name and the phone number. And this is how my form look like. So I'm going to close this and I'm going to map all these details in Pabbly Connect. So let's go back to Pabbly Connect. Now first I have to select my page. So for the page, I'm going to open this tab and I'm going to search for my page, which is Professional Institute. So this is my page, so I'm going to select this. And for the lead generation form, I'm going to open this tab. And in this, I have this lead generation form, which is named as Professional Institute Contact Form. So I'm going to select this. And now I have this important note, which says, please note that after clicking the Save and Send as Request button, you will need to generate sample submission of your lead ad form by clicking on the Preview Form button and filling out the form. Make sure that the lead generation form is live before making the sample submission. Now I'm going to click on Save and Send as Request button. And here it is waiting for webhook response. Now to get this webhook response, what I need to do is I need to make sure that my lead generation form is live And now I have to make a sample submission. And to make this sample submission, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use Meta for Developer. So for that, I will go to Meta for Developer. I will go to my apps. I will go to tools, and in tools, I will find this lead ads RTO debug tool. So I'm going to open this. And in this tool, we have these two tabs, page and the form. So I'm going to do the same. I'm going to select my page here. So I will open this tab and I will find my page in this. So this is my page. I'm going to select this. And my form is Professional Institute contact form. Now what I need to do is I need to create a sample submission. And for creating the sample submission, I have to create a lead. And for that, I'll click here on preview form button. So this is my form and I'm going to fill dummy details here. So my email will be newuser@pabblytudes.com and the full name will be new user, and I will give a random phone number. So this is going to be my phone number, and I will click on next. I will click on submit and my form is submitted and I have created this new lead. Now I will go back to Pabbly Connect. And here we can see we have received this new response. So the email is newuser@pabblytudes.com and the full name is new user, and this is the random phone number. So we got this new lead details and we want to use these details to add automatically in our Google Sheet, and we will keep record of these leads. Now to add these details, I will set up my actions tab and I will open this tab. And here my action application will be Google Sheets, and I'm going to select this. Now I have to give an action event. So I'm going to open this tab and add new row will be my action event. Now I'm going to connect Google Sheet with Pabbly Connect. So I'll click here on connect. I will click on add new connection and I will sign in with Google. Now I will click on allow to give access to my account. And my connection here is successful. Now to add the details of my lead in Google Sheet, I have to fill all these details. And first I have to select my spreadsheet. So for this, I will go to my Google Sheet. And this is my Google Sheet. And in this, we are using this spreadsheet, which is named as Facebook Leads. And we are using sheet 1 here. And we have these 3 columns. First is full name, second is email, and the last one is our phone number. So I'm going to map all these details in Pabbly Connect. So let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And first I have to select my spreadsheet. So I'm going to open this tab, and in this tab you will find all the spreadsheet that you have in your Google Sheet account. And I'm going to use this Facebook Leads spreadsheet. So I'm going to select this. And here we can see all the details have changed according to my spreadsheet. Now I have to map all these details to add in my Google Sheet. And here I'm going to use mapping. So what mapping is? Mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous tabs, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping, I'll click here. I'm going to open this response of Facebook lead ads, and I have to map my full name. So this is the name of my lead. So I'm going to map this. Now I will map the email. So I'll click here. I'm going to open this response, and this is my email address. So I'm going to map this. Similarly, I will map the phone number. So this is the phone number. So I have mapped all my details and I have filled these details. Now I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here I have received this new response. So this is a positive response, and this means I have added these details automatically in my Google Sheet. Now to check this, let's go back to Google Sheet. And here we can see I have added this new row automatically in my Google Sheet, and the full name is new user, email is newuser@pabblytudes.com, and this is the random phone number. So these are the same details that I have created as a new lead in my Facebook lead ads account, and I have added all these details automatically in my Google Sheet. Now to check this in real time, I will again use the Meta for Developer. So I'll go back to Meta for Developer. I will close this, and I'm going to delete this lead. And I'm going to preview this form again. And here I'm going to fill dummy details again. So my email will be testuser@pabblytudes.com, and I will give a full name. So my full name will be testuser, and my phone number will be, so this is going to be my random phone number. Now we'll click on next. I will click on submit. So I have created this new lead. Now we'll go back to Google Sheet. And here we can see that I have automatically added this new row. And the full name is testuser, email is testuser@pabblytudes.com, and this is the random phone number. Now we can see that whenever I'm creating a new lead in my Facebook lead ad account for my language teaching academy, then I'm adding those details of the lead automatically in my Google Sheet, and I'm keeping the record of all my leads. So let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And here we have created this integration between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheet, such that whenever I'm getting new Facebook leads for my language teaching academy, capturing those details of the lead and I'm adding those lead details automatically in my Google Sheet. So let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger, and my trigger application was Facebook lead ads and my trigger event was new lead instant. Then I have set up my action, and my action application was Google Sheets and my action event was add new row. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow, and I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there. And thank you for watching this video. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this using Pabbly Connect. If you need any help or if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can post them at forum.pabbly.com, or if you have any issue with the pricing of Pabbly, you can connect on this link. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.